All-season tire. All-season tires were created to handle a little bit of everything without specializing in one condition. They became popular in the United States during the second half of the 20th century when drivers wanted a single tire that could survive summer heat, light snow, and rainy roads without needing seasonal changes. The tread pattern usually balances smooth highway comfort with enough grooves to push away water. The rubber compound is designed to stay usable across a wide temperature range, although it never reaches the extreme grip of dedicated summer or winter tires. For most daily drivers, this tire became the standard because it offers convenience above all else. Summer tire. Summer tires are built for warm weather and high grip on dry or wet pavement. Their softer rubber compound allows the tire to stick closely to the road surface, especially during hard cornering or sudden braking. Wide tread blocks increase contact with the asphalt, while fewer grooves improve handling precision. These tires became closely associated with sports cars and performance sedans because manufacturers needed better stability at higher speeds. However, once temperatures drop too low, the rubber hardens and grip falls quickly. In colder climates, they become unreliable even before snow appears. Winter tire. Winter tires were developed for regions where roads regularly freeze for months at a time. Unlike standard tires, they use a special rubber compound that stays flexible in freezing temperatures. Small cuts in the tread, known as sipes, create thousands of biting edges that help the tire grip snow and ice. Some winter tires are even designed to hold packed snow inside the tread because snow can grip other snow surprisingly well. Countries with harsh winters often require them by law because braking distances become dramatically shorter compared to ordinary tires during icy conditions. All-terrain tire. All-terrain tires sit between highway comfort and off-road capability. They became especially common with pickup trucks and SUVs as more drivers wanted vehicles that could leave paved roads without completely sacrificing daily usability. The tread is deeper and more aggressive than regular road tires, giving extra traction on dirt, gravel, mud, and rocky surfaces. At the same time, manufacturers try to reduce road noise and vibration so they remain practical for long highway trips. They represent a compromise, trading some smoothness and fuel efficiency for versatility. Mud-terrain tire. Mud-terrain tires are designed for difficult off-road environments where ordinary tires would clog almost immediately. Their massive tread blocks are spaced far apart, so thick mud can be thrown out as the wheel rotates. Strong sidewalls help resist punctures from rocks and roots during trail driving. These tires became popular in off-road racing and extreme four-wheel drive culture because they can continue moving through terrain that would trap standard vehicles. On pavement, though, they are often loud and less stable, especially at higher speeds. Touring tire. Touring tires focus on comfort, quietness, and long-distance driving. They are commonly found on family sedans, luxury cars, and vehicles built for smooth highway travel. Manufacturers spend a great deal of effort reducing vibration and road noise because drivers may spend hours inside the cabin. The tread design usually emphasizes even wear and fuel efficiency rather than aggressive performance. Over time, touring tires became associated with refinement rather than excitement, offering predictable handling and a softer driving experience. Run-flat tire. Run-flat tires were created to keep a vehicle moving even after a puncture. Reinforced sidewalls support the weight of the car temporarily when air pressure is lost, allowing drivers to continue for a limited distance without immediately changing the tire. Luxury brands and sports car manufacturers adopted them widely because they save trunk space by removing the need for a spare wheel. The trade-off is usually a firmer ride, since the stronger sidewalls cannot flex as easily as standard tires. Even so, many drivers appreciate the added safety during emergencies on busy roads. Performance tire. Performance tires are engineered for drivers who prioritize handling and speed over comfort or lifespan. They often feature advanced rubber compounds borrowed from motorsport technology and are designed to maintain grip during aggressive acceleration and sharp cornering. As car engines became more powerful through the late 20th century, ordinary tires could no longer fully control that performance. Tire manufacturers responded by creating specialized models capable of handling higher temperatures and greater forces. These tires wear out faster than regular ones, but they provide a level of control enthusiasts value deeply. Drag racing slick. Drag racing slicks are built for straight-line acceleration over very short distances. Unlike ordinary tires, they have almost no tread at all because maximum rubber contact with the track creates the greatest possible grip. Their soft compound becomes sticky when heated, helping racing cars launch with enormous force without spinning excessively. During the rise of organized drag racing in America, these tires became essential as engines grew more powerful each decade. Outside the track, however, they are nearly useless in wet conditions because water cannot escape beneath the tire surface. Race slick tire. Race slick tires are among the most specialized tires ever created. Used in professional motorsport, they completely remove tread patterns to maximize contact with dry racing surfaces. Formula racing, endurance racing, and many circuit championships rely on slicks because even tiny increases in grip can change lap times dramatically. The rubber is extremely soft and designed to operate within a narrow temperature window, which is why race teams carefully heat and monitor them before competition. In rain, these tires become dangerously ineffective, forcing teams to switch to grooved wet weather designs almost immediately.